Hello everyone, here we have Nabhya Jha with us, All India rank 342 in GATE CSE 2025. Nabhya, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling elated. I've been waiting for this since so long, and now since it's finally come true, I'm feeling very happy.
That must be great. So, starting off with, how did you come to Vision Gate and to preparing Gate? How did you come to that terms?
So actually, when I was in college, I had no plans of doing it absolutely. After like fourth year, I had decided I got placed, and I had decided that I'll join the company. So the thing that happened was my offer letter was delayed like by 4 or 5 months. So I had like absolutely nothing going on at that time, and then I decided that I have to study further also. Like I had plans for masters, so I thought that this is a good time for starting the preparation. And also I had a classmate called Anushka. So she had secured 76 rank, which was great. And so I talked to her, I spoke to her, and she said that you should join Vision Gate, and that's how I joined it.
Okay. So, as you mentioned about your job, how did you manage your job and Gate? To whom did you give more priority and time?
Okay, so initially I was when I had the gap of preparation for Vision Gate, so I was preparing for Gate only. But as the work got a little bit hectic, so I had to like pay attention to the job as well. So I tried mostly managing both the things, but since I didn't had the opportunity of working from home, so I had to go to office daily, which was the most difficult part was the time that it took during the traveling part and the work part. So I had like very little time for preparation left when I came home from work. So that's when I spoke to RSV sir, and he said that you should leave the job and give full-fledged attention to preparing for Gate. And that's when I left job in June 2024. So like those 7 to 8 months were like my like proper Gate preparation.
That's great. So, as you said, you had job, and then once you left job, you must have had backlogs. So, clearing them, you might have needed a lot of help. So, who were there around you to help you the most?
RSV sir was always there, and I had a like fortunately I had the best peer group. So all of my friends, whenever there was a little doubt, I used to go to them, and they used to explain me the solutions and everything. And even in office hours, when my work was done, I used to take out the PYQ book, and like how much ever I could do, I just tried to finish PYQ questions in between work, which I won't advise to other people. But yeah, I had no choice, so I had to do it. Yeah, so my friends and RSP sir, and obviously my parents were a big support throughout the journey.
That solving PYQ one was very dedicated approach. Okay, so talking about GATE, we have a very huge syllabus to cover it, to revise it all. How did you do that?
So firstly, like after joining the class, my main aim was to finish the syllabus. So by July and August, I had I had decided that I have to complete all the PYQs as well. And sir also usually puts a end date to when the PYQs need to be completed. And so by August, I had completed all the PYQs. And then and also like in June and July, I had started PYQ tests as well, which helped me a lot to cover the backlogs. And after that, then test series started in October. So eventually it went like that.
I would like you to elaborate on your PYQ approach. Like when the first time you start off with the questions, it's not like everything you click at very
Yeah.
one point, right? So once when you get stuck at some questions, how do you go ahead? How do you approach that?
Yeah. So sir will teach you certain concepts. There'll be a question in front of you. There'll be some data points, but you actually don't know how to start applying those data points and everything. So initially thoda time lagta hai, but you have to be confident in the concept that you learn. So making sure that you are thorough with the concept that whatever sir has taught. And then like going about the question, थोड़े easy question से शुरू करके medium and then difficult eventually. So that's how. And practice is very important. Whatever you learn, if you don't solve questions, there'll be absolutely nothing going inside your brain. So questions is the main implementation of the concept. So yeah.
As you said, questions are the main implementation, so you must have given a lot of test series.
Yeah.
So how did you plan them, like schedule them, then the approach in the test, and also like test analysis, one of the most important part. Please elaborate on that.
Yeah, so as I said, like in the beginning of June or July, I think I had started the PYQ test, which was very important. So firstly, all the PYQ papers since 2008 until 2023, I had given all those papers in 1 or 2 months. And then after that, whatever tutorials are conducted by sir in the morning. So he used to focus on all the PYQs, like all the important PYQs. So that was the revision of the PYQs as well. And then test series in October, we had started Zeal. So that was the most, I would say that October was the most crucial part of everyone's GATE journey preparation, because we had started giving Zeal tests, and that's when we actually realized that whatever we have learnt till October, what is the final outcome of that. So initially we started with like very terrible marks, 20, 30, 40s in Zeal, as we all know. So then later we tried to like focus on the errors that we were doing, everything. Like test series helps a lot. Like they bring in the new questions that from different universities, I would say. The best test series for what I felt was Go series, Go classes. So they used to bring these questions from universities, and so you don't have to search for them by yourself. So they're already present in a set, and you just need to solve them. And Zeal was there. Zeal could be demotivating, but I would say to all the future aspirants watching me that do not get demotivated by Zeal marks. Learn from them, and just focus on doing better further. Yeah.
As you mentioned in the start, that you used to every aspirant used to score like 20-30 marks.
Yeah.
Must have been a great downfield, right?
Yeah.
So were there any more such moments, and how did you tackle these moments?
So we, like sir used to always say कि अभी marks पर मत ध्यान दो, बढ़ेगा eventually. Everybody start like that, and that's what happened eventually. So like even if you get little marks, you'll see कि where, if you don't at all like give test, then you won't be able to know your outcome, like shortcomings.
Yeah.
So टेस्ट देना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसमें जो भी मिस्टेक्स हो रहे हैं उससे सीखना, उसे वापस रिपीट नहीं करना. द थिंग दैट यूज्ड टू गेट रियली, आई वाज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू मेक द सेम मिस्टेक इन 3 consecutive days in the 3 papers that I gave. So that was very very disappointing. But then I used to see कि ये mistake हो रहा है, ये calculation mistake मुझसे हमेशा होता है, तो I don't have to repeat it in the main GATE exam. That is, see, our main focus is that you have to be your best in the GATE paper. बाकी सारे पेपर से आपको सिर्फ सीखना है. Till last day of preparation सर बोलते थे कि अब तुम सीख ही रहे हो, 31 जनवरी तक तुम सीखोगे और 1 फरवरी को तुम्हें पेपर देना है. तो वो बस सीखने का प्रोसेस होना चाहिए टेस्ट सीरीज के थ्रू, आई वुड से.
Okay, so I would like to bring this interview to the conclusion with you giving the future aspirants some advice for their journey and preparation.
Yeah, so one advice that I got from a friend of mine, Anushka, she said सर को फॉलो करो, IIT हो जाएगा. एंड वही रियलिटी होता है. सबको लगता है कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, बट वो होता है. और बस सर को फॉलो करना है, और सर जो बोले वो पत्थर की लकीर है. तुम्हें बस ब्लाइंडली सर को फॉलो करना है, खुद पे भरोसा रखना है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, हार्डवर्क बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हार्डवर्क के साथ कुछ भी समझौता नहीं होना चाहिए. हार्डवर्क, डेडिकेशन, खुद पे भरोसा, और हार नहीं मानना है एंड तक, एंड डे तक. क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता रिजल्ट, मतलब गेट पेपर के दिन क्या होने वाला है. हमें रिजल्ट के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, हमें बस एंड तक अपना प्रिपरेशन जारी रखना है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड, एंड या आई एम हैप्पी.
Thanks a lot for the interview.
Thank you so much.